Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, I have to do errands and leave the house. I just finished filming, so I'm kind of in my filming setup, and I need to clean up really quick, get all the stuff I filmed with put away, and get out of here. So let's go. Headed to run some errands. I want to actually go to the mall and get a bathing suit, a swimsuit. I feel like every year I don't get a swimsuit because I shop for swimsuits in the summer and then they're all sold out. So this year I'm like, no, I want a cute swimsuit early. So in case we're up to anything this summer, I want to have a cute swimsuit. So you definitely should be shopping seasons ahead anyways, but to get the good stuff. But I don't know. So we're gonna go, and I'll chat with you guys in a little bit.
Search but you stay lost. We are.
Alright guys, so I'm almost to the mall. Did I share about the car? So yeah, I'm not in my car. This is not my AMG. This is a like a loaner rental, like a loaner car. My AMG is getting service done, and it was gonna be a few days, so I got a loaner, which is fine. So I'm in a 2021 GLA. It has like a little AMG kit on it, so it's a little sporty looking. I'll show you guys a little bit around the car. It's already getting dark. That's why it's like that's why the lighting is in and out, because the sun is already setting and it's kind of cloudy today. So yeah, I'm in the GLA and I'm going to the mall again for a bathing suit. I told you guys, right? So I'm trying to get my bathing suit from now, because every year I just miss out on buying a new bathing suit, and then I end up having to wear, if I do go to wherever, I end up having to wear like my older bathing suits, and like they're done. They're all done. So I figured this year I'd get, be proactive and get a bathing suit early. So I'm going to Garden State Plaza, which is further away, like further for me, but this mall is larger than like my malls near me. I like to say Missouri, but they have a Muji store, which is kind of like my whole point of coming here, because I'm out of those they're like cotton pads or something that I use for like nail polish and makeup remover, eye makeup remover and stuff. So I'm out of those pads. Few other things. The mall has some things that others don't. I wanted to get something for dinner because I've been doing super good with my daily harvest meals, guys. I mentioned it in my last vlog. I've been eating those pretty much for lunch and dinner during the week, and even on the weekend I have one or two, but then I'll have like my one meal that I'll get out, like kind of like my cheat meal of the week, if you will. So since I'm out tonight, I figured I can get something good for dinner, but I don't really know what I want. And then I'm wondering, like, if you don't really have a taste for something, just go ahead and eat your harvest bowl and save your calories. So at the mall, let's see what they're doing in here, and I'm gonna bring you guys inside with me. I brought my sunglasses for absolutely no reason, because there was no sun. Did I show you guys my phone case earlier? I was like saying how cute is my phone case, and it has the matching ring. How cute. And I love that it's a square case. I got this from Flaunt's case. So it's obviously the black marble design. but I like that the ring matches. I obviously had to buy the ring separate, but it matches perfectly. Let's see if anything's happening on Instagram. I love you guys. Double mask. That was too much happening. This is why I always say I'm gonna vlog inside, and then this is why I can't. It's too crowded, there's too much going on. Gotta watch out for people getting too close. And last night I actually went to Sugarfish. Oh, it's still on. Last night I went to Sugarfish. I drove to New York to pick up Sugarfish to go, like for takeout. With my friend after work. We went to Sugarfish for dinner, so that was fun. But well, to pick up takeout. So it's like I mean, Sugarfish wasn't indulging though, right? That was still pretty good with staying on track, but there's kind of like nothing that's gonna surpass Sugarfish right now. So I might just get something small. I had a bathing suit. I guess I'll show you guys that. And already they were like out of sizes. I would like to have ideally like 3-4 cute bathing suits in the rotation. Maybe 5. But this one's cute. So I was like, okay, I'll get this one. At least I have one. My starter bathing suit. So I have time though for summer. But I was like, I refuse just to no, I'm not wearing these other, like I'm throwing those other bathing suits away. I do want to share some things that I have picked up recently with you guys, so maybe I'll do that in the morning before I wrap up the vlog, like show you guys some new stuff. So yeah, I'll do that. If anything else happens, I'll check in, but if not, I'll finish this up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys later.
You always show 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show.
It's the next day. It's Sunday. I am dressed for the day. I'm about to go out. I need to pick up an online order. I'm gonna fill you guys all in about what I picked up on the car ride. I'll tell you in the car. But before I left the house, I wanted to show you this foundation. So this foundation is new. Well, it's not new. It's new to me. It's by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It looks pretty good. And then this foundation is only $6. It looks beautiful and literally can compete with all my high-end foundations. Still, I'm getting ready to leave. But I wanted to show you my shoes because I'm wearing them for the first time. I honestly don't even know if I'm getting out of the car, which is why I thought it would be a good day to like test them out. So let me flip the camera and show you these shoes. These lace-up high heel boots. They're by Jeffery Campbell. Them like last year and I've never worn them, so I figured I'd try them out today. Yeah, I'll let you guys know how it works. But aren't they cool? And they're really like shiny. It's rainy today, so I just wanted to wear some boots, so I figured I'd try these out. So anyways, let's go. The bag of the day is the Saint Laurent college bag. I'm actually wearing all black today. Let's go get my order. I'm going to tell you guys all about it. Alright guys, so I'm on the way to the mall again. Not to that other mall. I'm going to the one by my house. And I'm going to Bloomingdale's to do a curbside pickup order. So I'm not even getting out of my car. I'm just gonna pull up and they're gonna bring out my stuff. So what am I getting? complaining because I was just at the mall yesterday. Like, why? So when I was at the mall yesterday, I went into Neiman Marcus and I asked to like smell the Baccarat fragrance, and this fragrance, I just felt like it was overhyped. Everyone talks about it. Like, I've heard so much about Baccarat, and I'm like, there's no way it's that good. But I couldn't recall had I personally smelled it or tried it for myself. So when I went into Neiman Marcus, I saw they had it. I asked to smell it. I actually just got one of those cards because I was not taking down my mask to smell it there. But what I wanted was her to spritz it. So, hold on. There's someone coming in an AMG. I feel like so many people try me in this car. I'm like, ooh, it's a nice AMG. It's the AMG GTR in front of me. Anyways, I thought the Baccarat was just like something that was overhyped and whatever. And I don't know, I just didn't give it that much energy. So anyways, I asked the person to, you know, spritz it on the card for me. I put it in my bag and I smelled it in the car, and like when I was at home. I'm going to get it today. That's all I'm going to say until I really, you know, try it out for myself. But I wasn't, like I said, I was just like, oh, I've been wanting to try this scent. So she, you know, spritzed it on the card for me. I put it in my bag. Honestly, I thought I would just forget about it. But when my bag was in my car, I was like, what is that? It was that Baccarat. I purchased it immediately online. I'm like, I need to pick that up now. So we're going to go do that now. And I'm going to tell you guys about it. And I don't usually buy things, do I? Buy things like spur of the moment. Usually, you know, I think about it, I plan it out. If it's a fragrance, I'm probably testing it out first. No test needed with the Baccarat. This is like, I could not believe it smells so good. And so then I had to go online and read about it. I wanted to go to the counter inside the store so I can get like samples of their other scents to test out. I think I might film a reel of it. So if you follow me on IG, you probably would have seen it on IG first. So I go to my email where they tell me my order was ready this morning. But you guys can see in natural light, tell me this foundation is not giving like everything. What I do like about this car is like the double sunroof, because I always have my sunroof, like I never have the cover on, I always have it like this. So I like the double. All right, I've arrived. You guys see me? I'm in a garage now, so it's dark. So they're on their way. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but let's see. So I just got the bag. Let's see. So this is the item. Can you guys see the Baccarat packaging? Beautiful. I got my stuff and I didn't even have to get out of the car. All right, guys, so I'll see you back at home. Hey guys, just kind of set you up. So obviously I'm back home. So this is the fragrance, the box it comes in. Just look at even how luxe the box looks. Can you guys see that? So this is the Maison Francis Kurkjian's Baccarat Rouge 540. Yes, it does have a long name, but I'll put it down below. And then it comes in this other box that kind of has like a little tab to pull, and you pull it open. And here is my fragrance. I love the bottle. It smells, oh my gosh, it's literally intoxicating, guys. Like, I cannot even describe how good this smells. So there comes with this little booklet. Welcome to the world of Baccarat Rouge 540, a poetic alchemy born from the encounter between the known how of Maison Francis Kurkjian and that of Baccarat. Luminous and sophisticated, Baccarat 540 lays on the skin like amber, floral, a woody breeze. The aerial notes of jasmine and the radiance of saffron carry mineral facets of ambergris and cedarwood, a graphic and highly condensed signature. Okay. It smells phenomenal. So I don't know how I haven't been up on this before. Maison Francis Kurkjian, Baccarat 540, Rouge 540. It's perfect because in my last vlog I was telling you guys that I wanted to pick up a new fragrance and I didn't, and this is perfect. So beautiful. I love it. So I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, guys.